Namaste. Welcome to Wholesome Living Through Food, a beautiful collaboration between home cooking and yoga and you. Today we are making a delicious high protein sattu drink made with roasted gram, almonds, dates, banana and milk. This is a sattvic inspired wholesome drink that not only nourishes the body but also builds strength. So let's get started and check it out. For this recipe I've taken 20 almonds, that is badam, and I've soaked it in water and removed the skin. First we're going to grind the sattu, that is the roasted whole chana dal, and the almonds together. I'm adding half cup of sattu, which is the roasted gram. I've added about 20 soaked almonds. Grind these ingredients to a nice fine powder. So here's a quick tip for you. You can grind it in batches and put it in a nice airtight container or bottle and store it in the refrigerator, and you can make this drink whenever you want. To a blender, I've added 1 large ripe banana that I've sliced thinly. Next I'm adding 4 pitted dates. To this I'm going to add the ground sattu and almond powder. This I'm adding about 1.5 cups of boiled and cooled milk. I'm adding extra milk to get the right consistency for the drink. I'm adding another 1 cup. So there you have it, an energy drink that is so easy to prepare and packed with the goodness of nuts, fruits, milk and roasted gram. Simple ingredients, simple preparation and a great healthy drink that your family can enjoy. Garnish with a few slices of banana and some chopped pistachios and almonds before serving. If you like our recipes, subscribe to our channel and share all these recipes with your family, friends and your yoga community. Until next time, stay healthy, stay nourished and stay happy.